Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's VenomYTX and today back with another video for you guys. And today in this video I'm going to be showing you and teaching you how to get my viewers fast on YouTube channel, fast and easy in 2019 and 2020. And for all those upcoming new YouTubers out there, this is the perfect, when I mean perfect, I mean perfect video for you, because you won't regret watching this. So before we get into the video, make sure to have a big thumbs up for today's video. Let's smash 102 likes for today's video, because I know we can do it. The Venom is clean the game. And also, if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Josh. I make tutorial content. I help people to grow on social media and help them with other cool stuff. And if you're interested in those type of stuff, then make sure to subscribe with the notification bell on, because we're on our way to 4,400 subscribers and we're so close. And I appreciate all of your guys' support and care. And yeah, and also don't forget to follow my Twitter right there on the screen. As you can see, that's my Twitter. You can DM me if you want to collab. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my plugs. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So getting your first viewers, or just general feedback for viewers on viewers, is hard enough, because if you're new and if you're experienced but you're still not getting the support or the viewers you need, then it's gonna be really hard for you. So these tips and these tricks that I'll be giving you will be massively helpful for your channel, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video, so you will grow your channel fast and easy, just like what I did. And it's going to be really simple. So we're going to get to the first tip. So the first tip is collaborate with other YouTubers. If you are shy collaborating, you need to step it up and just go out there. You need to collaborate with the same size as you, bigger than you. But I mostly suggest you to collab with the person that is the same amount as you. If you have like 50 subscribers and the other one has 48, you guys can collab because you have the same size. The other one is just 2 away from you. So make sure to collaborate with other YouTubers. And if you have like 25,000 subscribers and the other one has like 25,000, then you guys can both collab. And also, if you have 1,000 subscribers, you can find other 1,000 subscribers to collab. And also, if you want to collaborate with other YouTubers, I suggest you to go on Twitter right now. If you don't have a Twitter, make Twitter right now and go there. Then find friends, find YouTuber friends out there, then just collab with each other basically. And also, if you want, but you can also join my Discord server if you want to collaborate with other people or just communicate with me in general. And so yeah, collaborate with other YouTubers same size as you, bigger than you, and smaller than you, but it just depends on your size. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the next tip. So my next tip will be is add end screens at the end of your videos. And if you don't know what end screens are, I'm going to pop up end screen right now. That's an end screen. As you can see, I put them at the end of my videos, every single video that I have, when I put my outro in there. Because if someone views your video at the very end and then they saw that video, and if they watch the full video, you already know that they found it interesting, because they just made the whole video through. Like, they did it, like they gave you watch time, and it's very important. And if they viewed the video all the way through, then end screens will be really helpful. So you have to make an entertaining video that they will enjoy, that will make you increase your watch time and make them to go through the whole video. So what end screens are, those are the toolboxes, as I showed in the screen. Those are the toolboxes, and if the viewer enjoyed the video that they watched from yours, then they might click one of those videos, and then they will enjoy more videos from you, and then they're going to binge watch you. And this is the thing that you like. You want to binge watch, you want them to binge watch you all the way, because that can increase your watch time and get you monetized. So make sure to add end screens at the end of your video and make your videos interesting, because if you don't, you're gonna make it boring. You're boring, so don't do that. And so yeah, add end screens and pretty much make the video entertaining, so they will go at the very end of the video. They will go through the whole video, and then if they find it interesting, or if it is actually interesting, then they will watch those videos that they clicked, and then they will maybe just end up as a subscriber, which is amazing. And so yeah, let's move on to the next tip. So the next tip I have for you guys is essentially the same, but not really. It is essentially like the same on make a good thumbnail and all those type of stuff, but this one I'm going to get a little bit detailed on this one. So the next tip is, I don't know what to name this, but make an interesting thumbnail. And I know I already said this in the past, but a lot of people is not doing this. So make sure to do this. In your text, make sure to have some bold fonts. Like I suggest you to get Comica Access, Obelix Pro Bold, Luckiest Guy, Permanent Marker, Daydreamers. I will leave all those links down in the description box down below if you guys are interested in those fonts, because those fonts are very helpful. I used them before and they were very boldy and fonty feeling, and it's just, and also I forgot about this, but I'm just gonna leave it down in the description. So make sure to just make your thumbnail interesting. Make some colorful, add some colorful backgrounds, add some colorful saturations, add some colors to your text, and some drop shadows, just saturations, contrasts, because if the thumbnail is not interesting, then they will just don't click on the video essentially. So yeah, just make sure to have an interesting thumbnail. And so yeah, just make sure to have that interesting text, that background, that contrast, that use, and those drop shadows. And yeah, let's move on to the next tip. So the next one I have here is make video ideas. But I know making video ideas is hard, so you just have to make more video ideas in your mind as possible. So make sure to just keep making video ideas, because if you think of a video idea, then write that down on a note on your notes app on your phone, or the sticky notes app, the notepad on your PC. Because if you keep writing video ideas, then you can essentially get reviews, because you're thinking of video ideas that you like. I'm gonna explain it. I will make it more detailed. Hold on. So what I'm trying to say here is make video ideas that you think people will enjoy. For example, like you think of a video idea that says like grow, then you can make it as a how to grow your channel or some type of thing. You can take other video ideas from YouTubers as inspiration, but don't copy it completely, because you just a rip off of them. Just make sure even if you just think of a one word, that one word could turn into a video idea, then you can make a video with that can help you. If you thought of a video idea, then write it down immediately, because if you forgot it and you thought it was good, then it's not gonna come back. Unless if it comes back, still write it down, because you don't want it to be gone in your mind. So make sure to just keep making video ideas, keep writing down video ideas, because that will essentially help you get more views. I hope you guys get it, because I think I don't really make it detailed, but I think I did pretty much a good thing there. But yeah, make sure to keep making video ideas there. Write it down. I have like 50 plus right now on my phone though, so yeah, just keep making more video ideas for your videos to enjoy. And if they enjoy your video, they might even share it, then you can get more views because they're sharing your video, and then because they're enjoying it essentially. So make sure to keep making video ideas. Write it down if you thought of one. For example, like a Minecraft one. If you're taking a video on making Minecraft, then make Minecraft TNTs or something like that. I'm pretty sure you guys get what I mean here. I hope I did it detailedly. So yeah, and pretty much yeah, that's it for my tip video today. And if I went too fast, please comment down below, because my friend just complained, "Hey Venom, you need to stop talking fast. Please don't talk too fast." I'm trying to slow it down, but I don't know. But yeah, just keep commenting it down below. Just comment down below if you think I should slow down. If I should slow down, because I think I'm going a bit too fast, which I don't know why. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there then. So if you guys are new again, make sure to subscribe to the channel with the notification button, because we're on our way to 4,400 subscribers, and your help will be massively appreciated. Massively appreciated. And yeah, also make sure to like the video. As I said in the beginning of the video, let's smash 102 likes for today's video. And also, if you guys want a shout out in the next video, then just make sure to go to subscribe to this channel. Oof. Yeah, this is a free to use gameplay. I just like to let you guys know. And what you want to do is subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, then follow my Instagram and my Twitter, and comment something nice and heart my new post on my Instagram and my Twitter. That's it. It's pretty much basic, and I hope you guys get it. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. And Venom Nation, and as always, peace out.